Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The EMA 50 generally is presently at $0.007, which explicitly is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429, which basically is very huge. Jasmy generally has its kind of next opposition at $0.006 in a truly significant manner. 24 September 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to respond to these regularly gotten clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Certainly is Jasmy a fundamentally wise venture, which really is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, most certainly allowed us basically to discuss the very current economic situations, which essentially is very huge. Market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281 in an unpretentious manner. The really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,771,514,007 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which truly shows that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $17,771,514,007 in an especially huge manner. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, kind of additional appearance how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is drifting at $87,003,429 in a genuinely enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the really local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere around 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem and in every practical sense, enormous way. These occasions certainly show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for in every practical sense, present moment. Exhibiting how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.24 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is floating at $87,003,429 in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us in every practical sense discuss the very current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more by and large dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%. Certainly further appearance how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers sort of become move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. In every practical sense, current Jasmy coin cost basically is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours in a sort of enormous manner. Presently, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 24 September 2023 inside a day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, or so they truly thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how as of now, Jasmy by and large is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin especially is drifting at $87,003,429, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, so we utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, showing how at present, Jasmy most certainly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value decline of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin by and large is drifting at $87,003,429 in a sort of huge manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday graph. Exceptionally further appearance how Jasmy coin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram in a very enormous manner basically. The very relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin explicitly is as of now floating at